guys, I don't know much about the property. Couldn't really find a ton of history because the name of this place is actually pretty specific. But even when I looked up the name for the house, I really couldn't find too much. Basically built in the early 1900s. A guy lived here who was actually an artist. He ended up Christmas decorations. But this is the back of the place. You got a little pond, a well, and it's a really nice place. Yeah, so I was able to make it to the pool. Just a basic above ground pool. Nice little deck on it. Nice little private property sign. I guess that's with the pool though. What's up guys? We out here today exploring with B. Stevenson and some girl that doesn't want to be named. And they're worshiping Satan, I think. It is a mansion. The dude that lived here was an artist. Look at these tiles, guys. This is dope. And also, it's like pitch black in here. I'm going to show you how dark it is in here. This is just with my lamp cube. So that's what I'm seeing without the lamp cube. Got these really nice hardwood floors. This huge door, which I'm assuming is just, if I open this, yeah, it's just a wood board there. But nobody's getting through this. That's crazy. I don't know if this is like a master suite through here. I didn't see a kitchen. So I'm not really sure what this is. You got that dirt skylight up there. Okay, we got this weird room off of that room. Chandelier. Okay, so this must be the master suite here. We finally found the kitchen. I'm not impressed. I'm really not impressed by this. Another little sitting area.